Alright, so I'm going to show how to replace the battery on this Prius Prime key fob. So first thing you want to do is just pull this key out. So to do that, you have this here. It's not focusing. Come on. So you have this. You want to pull this to the side, the spring. Okay. So pull that spring to the side, and then you can pull the key out like that. Once you've done that, you can actually see there's a little gap in there. So we're going to use the key in that little gap. Okay. So just like this. So the key has this flat end. Sorry, it's not focusing. It keeps trying to focus on the ground. But use this little key here. It has a little thin slot. And then get it in there and then just twist it. Once you twist it, you can pop the two halves off. Here you can see the battery. And then let's see here. This you'll actually want to use a small thin tool to get it out. Okay, so just use a tool like this. And then you just pop the battery out from this little pinhole here. Just like, oops, sorry. Hard to show this. Oh, the whole thing is coming out. Like this, okay. And then you just pop this thing out. Why isn't it coming out? Sorry, this is not working the way it should, but just pop this out. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to actually push this little piece out a little bit to undo the spring, because these things are kind of somewhat spring loaded. So I'm going to pull that plastic clip back, and then we can go ahead and pop this out just like that. There we go. And here you can see this is a CR2032. Okay, so when you put it back, just get the battery back in, slide it back into place just like this. Okay, and then push it down, and there we go. And just put that back in there. Grab the other end of the key, line it up, click it all back in together, and put this piece back, and there we go. Good to go. Hopefully this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.